Hey guys, how you doing? Well, today we're gonna change the screen, a broken screen on an Acer Aspire 7540. Well, it got broken, so we're gonna try to change it. Already got my new screen right here. I ordered from eBay, about 65 bucks plus shipping and handling. So let's start. First thing we have to do is we have to take these little plugs. It's got one, two, three, and four on each corner. So we have to do it careful because we got little screws that we have to pull it out. We'll see. As you see, I already removed this piece of rubber pieces. So we got the little screws. We're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, smallest one. We have to pull them out. Okay. Done. For more, all four of all them out. I use this small screwdriver, Philip. Next step, we have to pry the edges open. All you have to do is use like your fingers. You have to use fingers and try to pull them out. They are attached by like a little clips, so you have to undo. You have to just pull them. You can start from the side. You have to take all this frame out. I forgot to tell you that there is another two extra screws right here, so you have to undo it too. And you gotta make sure all your frame is out. You gotta be careful on this part. You gotta be careful to pry it a little bit open. That way you make sure don't break the plastic that holds it. So we got it out. Just put it aside. Make sure you got your screws perfectly organized. That way you're gonna lose them. Put your tools away. Oh, forgot to tell you. Make sure to unclip the camera. It's very easy. You can use your nails, your fingers. You have to just pull it. It will come out right out. Next step. There's a little screws go on these corners from the brackets. There's a little teeny ones like this. There's one, two, and two on the other side as well. Once you pull it out, you see your screen is gonna come right out. You gotta be careful because there is a little wire underneath. That's the attachment. You gotta make sure. You gotta make sure pull it out carefully. That way you won't damage anything. Okay, make sure detach this. This is the camera right here. This is attached with a little piece of tape. So you gotta make sure peel the tape off, and then pull this connection down. Don't twist it. Don't twist it, please. You gotta make sure go straight down. That way you won't damage any of the little connections. All right. As when you have done this, your screen is off. All right. You want to make sure to compare this screen with your new one. Make sure it match. I got my new screen hooked up. Before go on, you gotta make sure your screen works. So what we're gonna do is plug it in and make sure it turns on. Here we are. Looks like the screen is working fine, and here we go. Successful. You can see screen is working fine. Looks really good. Everything is fine. No problem. Now we can proceed to put everything back together. All right. Once you got all these screws attached to the brackets, there is 4, 2 on one side, top and bottom, and 2 on the other side. 1 and 2. Make sure you have your attachment for your video camera up here, and then you're ready to you're ready to install the frame. So make sure screw it. You got your 4 screws on the top and 2 on the bottom, and you're good to go. Everything is put back together. The frame. Make sure it clips down here. There's another clip down here between the frame and the base. You're gonna make sure to go on the back and make sure it clip properly. And about these little rubber covers, you're gonna make sure use a little bit glue. That way you can stick it in and it will prevent to falling off. You can use I'm not sure what kind of glue you can use on here, but anything you can find that they want to stick really hard, it will help. So, because if you're trying just to push it in, it won't stay, because it comes with the, you can see it's glue inside. And pretty much we're done with the job. Success. You have any questions, just comment down below and I will answer. And it's pretty much easy. I mean, all these new laptops usually comes with the screws on the bottom, and most of them you have just to pry this open. But in this case, mine has got 4 screws on the top, so you have to pull them out and the frame come right out. I hope this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.